Title: I will not give up. It is almost midnight. Why am I reading the same sentence over and over again? Focus. Come on. I am tired. So tired. Why does everything feel harder at night? Everything feels heavier. The doubts, the fears, the what if I cannot do this? Breathe. Am I really capable? Am I smart enough to succeed? Sometimes I feel like everyone else is moving faster than me. But no. Stop. I cannot think like that. I have already come so far. It is not perfect. But look at these pages. They are not empty. I am working, I am trying, I am improving, even if it is slow. Pause. Why did I start this in the first place? Oh yes, I want to pass this exam. I want to be proud of myself. I want to prove that I can go all the way. I do not want to quit halfway anymore. My phone vibrates. No, not now. I need to stay focused. No one sees these moments. No one sees these nights when I doubt myself, when I fight sleep, when I try to understand things over and over again. But that is okay, because what I am building here, I am building for me. Every sentence I write, even if it is imperfect, brings me a little closer to my goal. I do not need to be perfect. I just need to move forward. Even one small step. A new page. It is funny. A blank page can be scary, but it can also mean a new chance. Okay, let us start again. One sentence at a time. One exercise at a time. One effort at a time. I may be tired, but I am not weak. Courage is not about not being afraid. It is about continuing even when you are. And I am continuing. Maybe I will not see results tomorrow. Maybe it will still be hard. But every night like this is making me stronger. I am becoming disciplined, patient, resilient, even if no one applauds me. One day, I will remember this version of myself, sitting here, under this light, eyes heavy, but heart determined, and I will be proud, because I did not give up. It is midnight. Just a little more, just a little longer. I can do this. I am not behind. I am not incapable. I am learning, and learning takes time. So breathe, keep going, even when it is hard, even when it is slow, even when it is imperfect. Because tonight, this night where I doubt myself but keep working anyway, might be the night that changes everything, and I will not give up. Not this time.